Hi, I am Rajat from Shhots AI, and today we are introducing your AI photo shoot platform. So, for e-commerce photography, as marketers, the way we work is that we will get photos of our products, send it to an agency, and then we'll show the photographer a bunch of references. We'll give them our brand guidelines, and we'll ask them to do a photo shoot for us based on the brand guidelines and based on the references. But when we work with AI photo generators, those photo generators need us to write prompts there, and that really doesn't work for us. So this is the solution we built for that use case. And the use case is pretty simple. As an e-commerce brand, you want to do photo shoots for your products, for Amazon listing, for ads, for so on. So let's just quickly see how that works. Once you click on upload, you can choose your product photo. So for now, I'm going to choose this picture of a face wash, and then you can upload a bunch of references. So I have a bunch of references here. I'll just simply upload these references. For this particular demo, I'm going to leave the brand guidelines empty. Then, just like you give recommendations or requests to photographer, you can just let this platform know what kind of images you need. I'll just put PNG. You can choose aspect ratios. I'll put 4:3, and then how many images or photos you want to get done, right? Let's just choose 4 for now, and then click continue. This exactly works like a AI powered photography agency. Once your generations are out, you can again go and redo and edit them. So that is what Shhots AI is. We have a bunch of features you can see on the left hand side. We have product video shoots, we have short video generators, and so on. We'll be launching a bunch more things over the next few weeks. For now, go and try your product photo shoots. Thank you. And in a few minutes, these results are here. We got 4 images generated, and here you go. Try out Shhots AI.